Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I get most of my inspiration for sewing my clothes from Pinterest and Instagram, my favorite websites, or even walking through the mall. I have been known to take pictures of clothing on hangers, and then I'll go home and go through my patterns and find something that's similar. I would have to say that most ready-made clothing out there is a sewing pattern for something that is similar. You may have to make some modifications to it, add something, take away something, lengthen something, but normally you can find something that's pretty close. And so then you can make one of your inspirations for a fraction of the cost that will actually fit you. So in this video, I want to show you a few things that I have done, that I have taken inspiration and created my own garments. Like this one here from Free People, just a cute little pair of like boxer shorts. You'll see I found a Simplicity pattern that's pretty close to it. It's Simplicity 9956, just a elastic waist shorts, but the reason I chose this pattern is it actually has a little inset where you can turn the stripes the other way. This is what makes it different from the Free People one, but I like that little bit of inspiration there that's different. Just add some buttons with some bright colored thread, and in a blue and white striped seersucker, I have a pair of shorts that cost me a whole lot less than the Free People ones that look very similar. Now for this one, also Free People, I like the shorts, kind of that gathered look. I found a similar pattern, Simplicity 9955, and I made it out of some denim. Now, obviously there are some differences, but I like the shape of them and things like that are very similar. I opted to do a hook and eye instead of a button at the top. You could definitely recut the top to be more like the Free People one if you wanted, but I liked the little pleats and stuff on the side. And I chose to do part of my pocket lining in some cool fabric, and also to use some bias tape on the inside of the yoke just to make it just a little bit more fun. But with just a lightweight denim, made a cute pair of shorts that fit me for, again, a lot less than what the Free People one were, but something that's a very similar style and shape. Now this is one, again, I took a picture in the store. I love the top. It's made out of a double-gauze fabric. So I found a new look pattern that I had in my stash for years. I'm not even sure this pattern is even still available. But it's got a really cute ruffled back detail. Other than that, it's just kind of a boxy top. And did it, again, out of this white double-gauze. Did kind of a butterfly flappy sleeve to match the Free People one, and this really cool ruffled detail that goes around the bottom and then up on the back. As you can tell, I really like Free People clothing. I just can't see myself spending the money on what they charge for it. But this one turned out so similar, and really love the way it looked. Just made sure to try it on. I think I did cut it a little bit shorter just to kind of match the Free People one a little bit better. Now this is one, I think this came across, who knows, Pinterest or something, and I love that royal blue dress. So I found this pattern on Etsy. You could definitely lengthen the sleeves if you wanted it more of a long sleeve. I chose to keep it at the short sleeve. This is one I have cut out. I haven't made it yet, but I did find this really pretty royal blue fabric at Hobby Lobby, and this one's next on my list to make. Very similar silhouette to the dress, and this one also comes with a video tutorial, which makes it great to do. And finally, this one I haven't made yet. It's on my list, but I love this little bomber jacket. And I found this vintage McCall pattern. It's not a bomber jacket pattern, but it will work. So I hope this really just gives you guys some inspiration on how to take some of the things that you love and Go out and create some things for yourself. Happy sewing!